I'm going to use the tool that I showed you earlier, which is this tool right here that allows me to move to a new record. I click that tool and I'm now placed on a new record. I'm going to type in ABCDE, and this is going to be the ABCDE company. I can put in a contact name, myself, and I can put in a title. I can also put in an address and a city, the state, and the zip code, as well as the country and any other information that I want to provide. Notice that we get a pencil indicating that that record is either being added or edited. Once I move off that record, the data is immediately saved to the underlying table. And again, if I wanted to, I can undo that record that I just added, but I'm not going to do that right now. So we've just added a brand new record to our table, and now we have 92 records within our table. I'm going to move back up to the first record, scroll back over to the left, and you can see that the record was not immediately placed within alphabetical order. I'm going to go back down to the bottom, and you can see that there's the record that we just added. And I could continue adding other records. Let's go ahead and add one more. For this one, I'm going to put in as the customer ID, FGHIJ, another company, Dan Walter, and I'm going to go ahead and move off of that record. And you can see that I did not need to supply the information for all the fields within the record. You've seen how to edit record data as well as how to add new records. Now we're going to take a look at how you can select records. You might wonder why you would want to select records. Well, you might want to copy a record or you might want to delete it. First, you would need to select that record. If I want to select one record, I can just click the gray record selector to the left of that record, and I've now selected it. If I want to select multiple records, I go to the first record that I want to select and click and drag downward to select that record as well as additional records. Once I've selected records, I can do things such as copy them or delete them. We're going to take a look at right now how we can delete records. I'm going to click to select Tom's specialization right here, and I'm going to tap my delete key. Notice that I get a message the record cannot be deleted or changed because the table called orders includes related records. Later in this training series, you're going to learn about something called referential integrity. Referential integrity prohibits a parent record from being deleted when children still exist that are associated with that particular parent. So in this case, we have a customer, and that customer has orders within the orders table. And you can see that we're being prohibited from deleting the customer. When we learn about referential integrity, we'll also learn about something called cascade delete that would actually allow us to cascade the delete downward so that when the customer is deleted, their orders and any order detail items would be deleted as well. I'm going to go ahead and click OK for now, and I'm going to go ahead and try to delete the record called FGHIJ, or the record for the another company. I select that particular record, and that customer has no orders. So if I tap my delete key, I'm asked if I really want to delete this one record. I'm going to click no for right now, and now I'm going to select both of these records. I'm going to tap delete again, and you can see I'm asked if I want to delete these two records. And I'm told that I will not be able to undo the delete operation. I'm going to go ahead and click yes, and those records were permanently removed from my table. And they were irretrievably removed from my table, meaning I can't get them back again. So we've seen how we can delete records once we've selected them.